So in this tutorial, we are going to do an F-test to compare the variances between these two groups. Now, these groups are going to be first-year university students and their sleep duration versus the duration of fourth-year university students. Now, as always, we're going to go to our data tab. We're going to go to data analysis, and we could press data analysis. Now, we're going to do an F-test for two sample variances. We could press OK. Now, let's clear all of the stuff here. So the first thing it's asking us is to define our variable and range. So our first variable range is going to be the sleep duration of first year students. So we can press in cell G8 and hit Control Shift down arrow. Once again, scroll back up, go into variable 2 range, and cell I9, Control Shift down arrow, and that'll highlight everything again. Now, one thing we could go back and change to I8 because we want our labels ticked. What's really important is to make sure that you have that row in here and defined here as well, so you could tick labels. Now we're going to put it on a new worksheet called F-Test Results. And then we can just press OK. And now we can see we have two clearly defined columns because we specified labels. And here would be your results.